Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Temu coupons. If you want to save money while shopping on Temu, using coupons is one of the easiest way to get discounts on your order. To get started, firstly open the Temu app and next you need to browse the app for available coupons. You can usually find them by tapping your profile in the bottom. And from here in the top right, there's this coupons and offers icon. Simply select that coupons and offer. And you may also receive coupons through homepage promotions or notifications or special campaigns. So over here in the top, you need to enter the coupon code. And once you have claimed a coupon, add the product you want to purchase to your shopping cart. Select add to cart in the bottom left. So select checkout in the bottom. On this checkout page, you need to look for the coupon or the promo code or apply coupon section, and if you have already claimed a coupon, you need to select it from your available coupons before placing your order. And that is it. That's how you can use your Temu coupons. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.